I would like to tell you an important piece of news about Android Studio, your ideal destination for building Android applications, which aims to make the process of creating Android applications available to everyone, as easily as the Android devices you are targeting are available. Today, Google announced the release of an early beta version of Android Studio on Project IDX, which runs fully in your browser. All you need is a browser and an internet connection. No need to set up any devices. With just a few clicks, whether you're using the IDX project or the Android Studio website, you can quickly start building, designing, and testing your Android apps. This new feature allows you to create and run Android applications from any device, anywhere. It's a big step towards making Android app development easier and more accessible to everyone.